Hey, what is up YouTube, Risky Riding here, and today I will be doing not really doing a top end. I'm just going to be taking apart the bike. I will eventually be doing the top end on this thing. And yeah, as of right now, I wanted to do a video, and then I just decided kind of not to. And then, because this bike has a low compression, so yeah, this is my bike, 05 CRF 250R. Haven't made any videos on this thing, but getting rid of this thing. Gonna be trading it for a real nice KX 125. Get another 2-stroke on the channel. But yeah, as of right now, let's get to the bike. So first thing that I need to do is I need to loosen the cam chain. It's kind of difficult with one hand. Alright. Now, with some models, the cam chain locks in place at the loosest point, which is pretty nice because this bike does it too. As you can see, we are at top dead center. Both the cam loops on the other side are facing out. But yeah, all in all, when I rode this bike, I think that I'm the one who blew the piston rings. When I rode this bike, this thing rode strong. This was a super nice bike, even with a bald tire. So, let's see here. I'm gonna be getting a 10mm socket. Let's see, what do we got here? What's this? That's 10. Alright, now gonna grab a ratchet. Oh, never mind, that's Nate. So this one is a 9. And of course that one's a 7. Well, I just decided to grab and oops. So I just decided to grab a short So I'm not entirely sure why this thing I'm not entirely sure why this thing has low compression. I'm assuming probably just the gaskets and rings. But the bike wasn't even running when it lost compression. We got the bike all put together because we were doing the timing, and a coolant drain, or like a flush, and when we put it all back together, went to kick it over, had no compression. Had a little bit of compression, but definitely not enough to fire. This bike is a 1999 wr400 bored over to a 426. So we've basically got a YZ426 on our hands, and we got this bike for a whopping either 700 or 750 bucks. Bike was in perfect good running condition. Guy just really needed to get rid of it. So just finished up taking the cam covers up and off. Okay, there's our compression release. Come on. All right. So, next thing I gotta do is I gotta take off the exhaust. I will do that off camera. I'll do the rest of this off camera. I will loosen up all of these bolts all through here, and I will be right back. Alright, so after a little bit of work, got everything off, got all the bolts off, got the oil passageway off, got the compression release off, got all the bolts out, and here she comes. Come on. Oh, it's on those timing chain guides. I'm gonna go on the other side. What are you getting stuck on? Oh, I see. I think. Yeah. Okay. Let's look at the head. Ooh. Ooh. Ouch. Ow. Damn. Man. What the fuck got in here? Oh my God. Oh, it's probably because I got that timing chain in there all weird. See if I can get... See, as of right now, all I'm doing is I've just got my finger on the chain like that. I'm just letting it spin. Let me turn on my flash. I mean, this cylinder has no scoring on it whatsoever. Cylinder looks really good, actually. But it's just that piston. Sorry. Come on. There we go. chain back down in there. Now, I want to take off the cylinder. It can't just be held on by 2 bolts. I only see 1 bolt holding it. Yeah, I just set that bolt right there for right now. There's a little bit of coolant in there. I had it all drained out. Huh. I don't quite understand. Is there any bolts in these cooling jackets? Take a look at my bike. Yeah, it's got that 1 bolt right there. I don't quite see anything else. The only thing that I see for my bike is there's that bolt right there. It looks like it goes all the way down. All the way around. Huh. And this bike doesn't have that. Unless these bolts... Oh, yep. Yep. These bolts went in through the head. Yep. Alright. Those are the bolts. Alright, so it looks like I just got to do that 1 8mm bolt then, if I am correct. Go grab my ratchet. Well, I'm gonna grab an extension, put it right here. Be right back. I don't know what would be holding this in place.